What's going on, folks? Hey, listen, this is Grips Clips back with another video, a little something different. Anyway, as you can see, we got a 21-foot sport Proline here with no boat cover, and I have not had a cover for as long as I've owned it. But the problem I have is I have a lot of trees, and as you can tell, I get leaves and all kind of stuff in there, which makes it hard to go out on the boat when you got to clean the boat before you go out and when you get back home. So I was like, maybe we need to get a cover. Anyway, so I wanted to do open boxing of a cover that I just got, which is from Covers Direct. I chose the Polyguard option because of where I live. We have a lot of humidity, and it tends to let the cover breathe, and that was recommended by Covers Direct. It was right around 580 bucks, 600 bucks, 5-year warranty. Great people to deal with, highly recommend it. So we'll go ahead and do an unboxing now, just to kind of show you what comes in the box. This is the 90021P-10. Of course, that won't be applicable to your boat unless you have a boat just like mine. So we'll go ahead and give it a opening here. Let me adjust the camera. All right. Just be careful when you're opening it with a razor. You want to make sure you don't obviously cut the material. So let's see what comes in the box. I don't know what this is, let's see. Looks like it's a bag for the cover, so when you're not using it, you can put it in. That's nice. Oh wow. Little system here. Looks like it's got some poles that you can put in the T-top and all your tie-down straps to make sure it's strapped down securely. Nice setup. And then the cover. Yeah. And I chose to go with the gray cover. And this is the company name, Carver Industries. And they make all their own covers. The material, let's see, seems pretty thick. And they also mentioned that it was the best tear resistant material they had and the most breathable. Again, if you got humidity, it's probably a good deal to get this. So next is what I like to do is I'm gonna go kind of wash out the boat a little bit, and then I'll continue the video illustrating how we put this thing on the boat. Boat kind of semi-clean. I'm gonna go ahead and try to apply the cover for the first time. I cleaned it out, let it dry out a little bit, so let me get the cover. Alright guys, we just need to figure out which side is the front. Roll it out. Here's the kit with some holes in it. And some other stuff. Bunch of straps.
Looks good to me. Let's see how these straps work.
So it looks like just put this through here. Come around the trailer. You could probably cut these once you get them figured out, you know? Nice and easy. I'm gonna go ahead and get this strapped up. I'll show you the final results. All right, guys, after figuring it all out, got it put on. Looks good, looks good. It's not a true custom cover, but they do make it, I guess, kind of universal, fit different brands of T-tops. The fabric seems to be pretty good, pretty thick. Again, this is the most breathable. It's not waterproof, which I don't care about the water. Just don't want to get leaves in there. Let me step back and try to get you guys a better view. That's it. It goes over the T-top. There's a Velcro slip for your antennas. It's got a bunch of straps that comes with it. Straps seem to be okay. I noticed when I tightened a few of them, they were coming loose, so I just kind of put a few knots in them. Another thing that I'm kind of not a big fan of, but you can see on the pulpit here, the way it looks. It doesn't. I can see water going to be held right there. But other than that, seems to be a good fit and 5-year warranty. It prevents me from cleaning the boat every time I have to go out. That's a win. And now that I put it on once, I think it'll be a lot easier to do it again. So anyway, just wanted to give you guys a review. I give it a thumbs up from Grips Clips. For a reasonable price, fast delivery, and awesome customer service. Got any questions? Hit me up in the comments. Peace.